How to report an ad on Kijiji. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm excited about this particular video because I'm going to be teaching you something insightful. I'll be teaching you how to report an ad on Kijiji. And if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to Kijiji website using www.kijiji.com on your PC or your mobile phone. Kijiji is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell products or services. So if you don't want to get a physical market, or you can get whatever product you want to buy in your local market close to you, you can just log on to Kijiji website and you'd see those products available on Kijiji. So once you're logged into Kijiji, you see at the home page of the screen, at the top left corner of the screen, you see the Kijiji logo, and close to it you see the search box, and close to it you see the category, you see the search. So if you want to search for any product, simply input the name of the title or the title of the product in the search box and click on search, and the product will be displayed to you. Then we have the location icon here, we have the notification icons, we have the message icon, we have the profile icon as well. We also have the post ad icon, so you can just make your choice. Okay, so to report an ad on Kijiji, you see that several ads are being displayed on Kijiji here. So if you want to report an ad, all you need to do is to take a look at the ad you want to report, and once you've seen the particular ad you want to delete, or you want to report rather, you click on the ad, then you see the option report, then click on report, and you're done. So remember, you log on to Kijiji website, and you can go through the page, the home page of the Kijiji website, and once you've seen the advert that you want to report, you click on the advert, a long press on the advert just for maybe 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and you see the option to report the ad. You click on the option report, and the ad will be reported on the Kijiji. Then you'll be asked further details why you want to report the ad. So you click on any of the details as it suits you, and you are good to go. So this is simply how to report an ad on Kijiji. It's very simple. I can try it out too. Thank you.